In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the montage effect on CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, what it does, and how to make it look smooth and intentional on your footage. First, open CapCut and head into a new or existing project so you can see your timeline. If you're starting fresh, you'll land on a clean timeline with no clips yet. Make sure your canvas or aspect ratio matches where you plan to post, like 9:16 for vertical or 16:9 for widescreen, so the effect reads correctly from the start. Next, add your video to the timeline. You can drag a clip in on desktop or tap to import on mobile. Choose a clip with some motion or scene changes. Montage works best when there's something dynamic to accentuate. If the footage is very long, focus on the portion you want to stylize so the pacing feels deliberate and not stretched. With your clip selected, click Speed. This is where CapCut controls playback rate, and it's the foundation of the montage look. Speed changes affect the timing, rhythm, and energy of your edit. Even subtle adjustments can make a big difference in how snappy or dramatic your sequence feels. Inside Speed, select Curve. Curve mode lets you vary speed over time using points along a line, rather than one constant rate. Think of it as drawing momentum into your clip, slowing down to highlight a moment, then ramping up to transition with impact. You'll see a graph with handles you can adjust for precise control. Finally, click Montage. Montage is a ready-made curve preset designed to create those quick, rhythmic ramps that feel punchy and cinematic. It typically dips into a slow moment, then accelerates sharply to bring energy back in, perfect for transitions, beat hits, or revealing key actions. After applying it, play the preview to feel the cadence. If something is a hair too fast or too slow, you can nudge the curve point slightly to tighten the timing. Small tweaks go a long way. Try pulling a handle up to speed through a dull spot, or lowering it to emphasize a crucial frame. A few quick tips as you preview. Look for natural sync with any music or on-screen motion. If the audio pitch sounds strange at high speeds, consider muting that section or layering your soundtrack so the visual tempo carries the moment. And if the effect feels heavy, reduce the intensity by flattening the curve a bit rather than removing it entirely. That's all you need to harness the montage effect in CapCut. Apply the preset, adjust the curve to taste, and let the pacing elevate your story.